We're back here at Plantpeddler in Cresco, Iowa. We took you along this February where we showed you all the plugs that they do for greenhouses like us. But now we're heading into that fall season, and you can take a look at, there are tens and tens and tens of thousands of plants that are going to be going out the door. It is such an impressive facility, and this facility is always being used, whether it's for that fall mum crop, the spring plants, or even the poinsettias for Christmas time. So we're going to take you along and show you the fall crops and what they look like now. Take a look at just the variety of all the different plants just in this one greenhouse here in Plantpeddler. So these are all crops that are getting ready for the fall season. So you can see there's several benches of just cold weather crops of smaller being put into a larger combo planter. This is a 10-inch planter that has maybe 4 or 5 different plants, and then these will be grown to this point where they're looking really good, and then these will be shipped out to their customers all over the country. We're in the mum production area of the greenhouses here at Plantpeddler, and there are mums, tens of thousands of mums on the ground. They're watered here, but look up above. There are hanging baskets of mums, and these are all moved with a chain system, and they're also watered with that system. This is Nikki. She is the production manager here at Plantpeddler. How many mums and combo planters, hanging baskets, what are the numbers here for this fall time?
So fall, what we at Plantpeddler finish is around 50,000 mums, but we are a young plant propagator. So we have about 3 million mums that we run through our facility.
So what is the young plant? Explain that, just a little bit about that.
So the young plants, we get all these cuttings. They're mostly from Florida region, from different breeders, and we started as a cutting and we put it in the ground and stick it. All that is done with our robots, and then it takes us about 3 weeks to put roots on, and then we ship it out the door.
Okay, awesome. So it's an amazing facility. It looks gorgeous pretty much any time of year. What's next?
Next, we are going into poinsettias.
Okay.
So in about 4 weeks, this entire facility is going to be emptied out of fall, and then we start poinsettia season, and then we just wait for the colors to turn.
And then go right back into
Then we go
spring?
into spring again.
Yep.
So
it
actually,
just never ends,
yeah,
right?
I think by December, I'm going to already be planning for your orders coming through.
Right on.
In spring.
So it's kind of neat to get a bigger picture of this, from that spring into the summer and the fall, and then again for that winter production. Between the combo planters and the mums, what a beautiful fall this is going to be. Thank you so much to Plantpeddler here in Cresco, Iowa for, again, having us to come in and take a look at their production.